If you work at a desk all day, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Roya, and welcome back to my channel, Everyday Yoga with Roya, where I aim to bring you short yoga sequences to help you incorporate yoga into your everyday. One thing you might not know about me is that I'm not just a yoga teacher, I also work a full-time desk job. So I'm going to guide you through a sequence that you can do at your desk, in your chair, in the middle of the day, to get some movement, release some tension, and feel better. It's a great way to take a midday break. So I'm here in my office chair. Go ahead and scooch to the end of the chair so your feet can plant on the ground. If your feet are not planted, adjust your seat height so that you're at a comfortable position. We'll start doing some gentle shoulder rolls. Inhale your shoulders up, and exhale, release them back and down. We tend to hold a lot of tension in our neck and shoulders. We're hunched over a keyboard, staring at a computer monitor. So it's good to bring some attention to this part of the body. Good. Inhale, squeeze your shoulders up to your ears. Exhale, drop them down, side out. Let's do that again. Inhale, shoulders up. Exhale, drop. Big sigh out. Good. I'll take your chin and drop it towards your chest. And then raise your chin, looking up to where the ceiling and wall meet. Exhale, drop your chin. Inhale, lift your chin, look up. Don't crank your neck back, just look at a comfortable spot up. Continue moving like this, moving your neck up and down while keeping your back nice and straight. Good, drop your chin, and this time, roll your right ear to your right shoulder. Roll your chin back down, and left ear to left shoulder. Moving your neck side to side now, keep going at a nice comfortable pace. Feeling the stretch through the side of your neck this time. Good, release back to center. Interlace your fingers, flip your palm, and stretch your fingers forward. Feel your shoulders extend out and then plug them back in. Really reach through your palms. Feel your palms flex backwards. Getting a nice stretch through those finger flexors that you work a lot while typing at a keyboard and clicking away at a mouse. This is a nice stretch for those forearms. Inhale and bring your hands to the sky. Exhale, release your interlace. Drop your right arm, rest it on your armrest. If you don't have an armrest, you can just release it to your side. Armrest is a nice support. And bend over into a side bend. Feel your left side, left hip plant into your seat. Feel your torso rise up and then reach over to the side. Just drop your right ear to your right shoulder. Good. Inhale back on up to center and switch over to your left. Resting your left forearm on your armrest and sweeping your right arm high up to the ceiling and then over to the left side. Keeping your right hip planted so you're really getting the side bend in the area between your hip and shoulder. Close your eyes and drop your left ear to your left shoulder. Take a few breaths. Good, come back up to center. Swing your arms behind you, interlace your hands again. Inhale, squeeze your shoulder blades together and your hands back and away from your hips. Feel a nice stretch through your chest. I felt my back just crack when I did this. So stretch the center of your chest towards the sky. Maybe drop your head back if that feels good, but don't strain it. Keep it upright if that feels better. Good, release the arms. Now we'll come into a spinal twist. Take your right arm to the back of your chair, left arm to the side or to your armrest. Get a gentle traction in your spine, twisting right. Gaze can turn over your right shoulder or just keep it straight ahead. Good, release back to center. And we'll twist to our left. Left hand to the back of your chair, right arm to your armrest or just down on the side. Use your arms to gently guide your twists to the left. Gaze is soft, maybe close your eyes. Take some deep breaths here. Good, and come back to center. Last pose we'll do to get into our hips from sitting all day. We'll do a seated pigeon. Take your right ankle and cross it on top of your left knee. Gently bend forward, whatever distance gives you a nice hip stretch. Folding over this figure 4 leg. I like to just gently rest my hands on my foot and my knee, kind of squeezing them together to encourage some outer rotation through my hip. If you're at your desk and it's in front of you, it's even nice to rest your hands there. Interlace them and rest your forehead on your hands on your desk and just relax into this stretch. Good, inhale, come on up. And we'll do our left leg, crossing left ankle on right knee, sitting up nice and tall and folding over the figure 4 legs. Keeping that ankle flexed and resting your hands wherever feels good, on your lap, on your knee, and maybe on your desk, and resting your head. That is a really, really nice position to be in. It's very restful. Good, inhale and rise back up. And that's it. That's your short desk yoga sequence that you can do whenever you have a break in the day, and I promise you will feel so much better. Thanks so much for practicing with me. If you enjoyed this class, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I release new videos every Monday. Thanks a lot.